Let's do the coding. Join contents. So I will do the most recent weekly contest. So here I already finished the first two coding. Now actually last two coding on the same question, just a little bit different. If you know how to do the first one, and the second one is easy too. Now let's see the question. The minimum cost for cutting cake. So there is an m times n can then need to be cut into 1 piece. So you are given integer m, n, and the two array. The horizontal cut, such -1, and its horizontal array represent the cost to cut along with the horizontal line. So it has vertical cut. So in one operation, you can choose any piece of k that's not yet a 1 times 1 square and perform one of following cut. From this way, after cut, the piece case is divided into two distinct pieces. The cost of the cut depends on the initial cut of the line does not charge. The return the minimum total cost to cut the entire cake into one time one piece. Now here's example. Okay, you see, you already talked about this one. The perform a cut on the vertical line 0 with cost 5. Cut on this line. The current total cost is 5. The perform a cut on the horizontal line 0 on 3 times 1 subgrid with cost 1. The here same. And same. So next I found is the 13. So how to get this 13? Now let's go to do this one. So how do we cut this line, the horizontal line or vertical line? What is the best choice? Because we need to get the minimum cost, right? So this one is really important. We need to so the question is greedy question. So we need to find how to find for we just cut it randomly. Let's see what happened here. So if we cut here, okay, we got a 4, right? We got a 4. And then if we try to cut here, we cut no sorry. If we cut here, so we get this 2 cost, right? 2 plus 3. And then we cut this one, or we cut here. If we cut here, we got a 3. 3 plus 1 1. If we cut here, because here only 4 pieces left, right? So maybe we can cut here, over here. So but we know, because we need to get a minimum 1, right? If we cut here, because here costs 2, right? 2 plus 1 plus 1, so we got 4. So if we didn't cut here, if we try to cut here, so which means 1 plus 2 plus 2, so it's 5, right? So you can see, if we try to cut the maximum 1, it will cut here, it will cut the horizontal line 2 plus 1 plus 1. So we will get the minimum cost, right? So we got a solution here, some idea. Now let me show you how, for example, one more example here, one more solution. No, not solution. Now how do I show here? Let me remove this yellow color. Now if you know how to solve this question, the high level question also easy. So now we got a solution. If we pick if we try to cut the most cost first, we will get minimum cost, right? If for example, if we try cut here, if we try to cut here, what happen? 3 plus 4 plus 1, and then we cut here, cut horizontal line. We got now 2 plus 4 plus 1. So what is the total cost? 7A is A is 15, right? So now it's first way we cut this one. Now we try the second way. Oh, sorry, 15, right? Now here, let me recall, roll back here. 1 second. Now, if we try to cut the maximum one, what happen? If we try to cut the horizontal one, the 4 plus 2 and 3, right? And then we here we just pick the maximum cost. Here we know 4 already disappeared in our cake. Now here we still have 3, so we pick the 3. We cut the horizontal line, so we will get 3 plus 1. We'll cut this one, right? So now here 2 is 2 comparing with 1. We also cut the horizontal line. 2 plus 1 plus 1. Now what we get? 6, 7, 10, 11, 13, 14, right? It's 14. So you can see here we got the minimum one comparing this one. Because why here is maximum and more cost comparing to here? Because here have 2, 4, right? So here the idea is we must be cut the maximum cost first. We need to key this off, and then we need to comparing maybe the maximum cost in the horizontal line, maybe in vertical line, right? We don't know which one. So here, how to solve this question? So we need to sort it, right? So we can sort it. So after sorting, you can understand this question is very easy. So we need to remove the 4. So we saw this line, this horizontal line as vertical line, sorry. So it's 1 here. It's ascending order. Sorting this array in ascending order. So here already 2 or 3 ascending order, right? Now we're just comparing the last one. Which one is smaller? If you are smaller, which one is bigger? So we know 4 is bigger. So we need to count this out, and then we got the solution. And then when we finish this line, we need to compare here and here. We know 3 is bigger, right? Comparing 1. So we need to count this horizontal line, and then 2. So we just use this way to solve this question. So let's code it up. Now, first step, we need to sort it. Array horizontal cut, right? And then the second one, the vertical cut. Now we need to create a sum, h sum, and the sum. So we can use this way, can quickly know. So you can see here have 2. If we cut this one, if we cut 4, so we have 4 plus 2 and 3, right? So actually we can in the beginning we can quickly add this together to get the sum. So if we cut this line, okay, we can 4 plus 5, why here is 5? Because 5 is from here, right? From the horizontal line. So here we also need to sum out this value. So same thing. Horizontal cut length. Now we're just copying this one. Very hard. Also, it should be. It's not big. Okay, it's capital S. And the vertical. Okay. Everything good. And we need to get the horizontal down length to cut. Why is horizontal cut? Let me. Okay. The length. Oh, what happened here? Now is vertical. Cut right down length -1. We need to do while rule. It should be greater than till enter. So now here we need to comparing which one is bigger. So we always start from last line, right? We start from last one. So comparing the bigger one is from the horizontal or vertical line. Now here's horizontal. It's I. It's greater than vertical cut, right? Okay. Now which one is bigger one? Okay, here we also have the result. The result is price your vertical okay is bigger, and also because we got the first last one, and then we need to get the is version, and then because we already use one, so which means we need to decrease, go to the last one, second bigger from horizontal. Total H sum here. Else we do not raise vertical cut. Okay, the H sum and the V sum lead to vertical. Now when we finish this one, so we need to return the V sum, H sum. Okay, you can see it's passed on the test case. Now you can see it. So the time complexity is B of n. Even though I could go to these two for loop, I just B of n. Not B of n, just B of B maximum m with the n. Which one is bigger? Next space complexity. I didn't. Oh no, sorry. The time complexity is B of n log n because I saw it. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah, and now going to the second question, last one. 1 second, let me go back. Oh, so because last question also similar like this, so I don't want to code it, do it again. I just copy paste, and I will show in the question. So now Yeah, I already copied. You can see in the question is here just only return type is different, but you can read this question. It totally same. So I think no, they just add a few test case. Maybe you need to test more test case. That's why here is wrong. So here I change the integer to the wrong because we can it's a large data set for sure. So that's why here I use the wrong, and here the result also should be wrong type, and then return it. Now let's see. Okay, you see, I just using the same code and I just changing the type and submit it. Okay, you can see passing the this question is a high level question. So thank you for watching.